Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Facebook dating voice message not working. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did myself is that I firstly closed my Facebook app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on my settings app in here, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, just scroll down and click on storage in here. And then we're just going to simply wait for this page to completely load right here. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds. And now when it's done, you're just going to swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. As you can see, so click on the search here. Then just search for Facebook and click on the app. Then click on offload app. And once again, click on offload app in here and just wait and then click on the blue button here again, because actually what will happen now is that you're going to force your Facebook app to completely update to its latest version, because by doing this you're going to get the absolute latest version that Facebook has right now. So hopefully this will be able to also fix the bug that you are not able to actually send a voice message, or you cannot maybe send or even listen to a voice message on your Facebook app. So this actually fixed it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.